What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram feed to your WordPress website. This is something really good because if you're driving traffic to your website and it's growing, your Instagram account is gonna grow as well. So it's something really good you can do, and especially if you're doing a portfolio website, a photography website, you can show all your Instagram photos inside that website as well. So I'm gonna show you how to do it in 3 simple steps. The step number 1 is to install the Smash Balloon Social Photo Feed plugin. In the WordPress dashboard, we're gonna go to plugins, then we're gonna go to add new, and we're gonna search for a Smash Balloon Social Photo Feed. So let's go, and this is the one we're gonna use, a Smash Balloon Social Photo Feed. Install now and activate. We gotta scroll down and there we have it, a Smash Balloon Instagram feed. Then the step number 2 is to configure the plugin. So we gotta go to this left menu, and you can see there is a section that says Instagram feed. We're gonna click on it, or if you don't see it, you can still do it inside the plugins. As you can see here, it says settings. You can click there as well, but I'm just gonna do it right here. Click Instagram feed. So once you are here, you're gonna be able to see 2 different options that you can connect your account. This one automatically with just clicking on this button, or you can do it manually. So we're gonna do it first with this option. We're gonna click here, and my Instagram account is personal, so I'm gonna choose personal. If you have a business, just choose your business option. So connect and continue. Connect this account, and there we have it. It is connected. So now let's say for some random reason it doesn't work, we can do it manually. So we're gonna remove this, okay, and we're gonna click here. Is a button not working, and we're gonna click on click here to get your Instagram access. The same, choose I'm personal, so I'm gonna choose personal, and there we have it. This is our code or access token. We're gonna copy this, and we're gonna click here, manually connect an account, and we're gonna paste it and connect this account. So there we have it, really simple. So now from here you just have to change, you can check for new posts, and you can change, this is just how frequently you want that your Instagram feed updates. If you upload a new photo, it's gonna update every 1 hour or days or minutes. That depends on you. I'm just gonna leave it like that, every 1 hour. So save changes. Then in customize, we're gonna decide how we want that our Instagram feed display on the website. Just okay, general, and just leave it like that. Number of photos, I think 20 it's a lot. I'm just gonna leave it in 8, and the number of columns is 4. I think it's okay. It's gonna look organized. And also you can change things like sort photos by newest to oldest or random, and different other options, guys. If you want to display the header in small, medium, show feed header, the bio, you can do all that here. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and just click on save changes. Then the step number 3 is to display your Instagram feed on your website. So let's do that. We gotta go to display your feed, and we're gonna copy this code. There is 2 ways we can display the Instagram feed inside our website. We can use the WordPress editor, or we can use Elementor page builder. I'm gonna show you first how you can do it with the WordPress editor. So we're gonna go to pages, add new. We're gonna name this page into like Instagram feed, and we just have to copy the code. That's it. Publish, and let's preview changes to see how it looks. And there we have it. This is our Instagram feed inside the website. So as you can see, I just load more and I can see all my pictures. So this is the first option, you can do this. And the second option is with Elementor. As you can see, I'm inside my home page and I'm using Elementor. So basically I just have to create a new section, and I'm gonna go to shortcut, an element shortcut. I'm gonna paste that here, and I'm just gonna paste the shortcut. You can see it right now, but if I click on preview changes and scroll down, you're gonna see that there is my Instagram feed, and as well I can see all my photos. So there you have it, guys. That's how simple it is to install your Instagram feed to your WordPress website. You can do it with WordPress editor or Elementor page builder. So if you find this helpful, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell because it's gonna help my channel to grow, and I really appreciate that. And as always, share with someone that might need it. Comment below if you have any question, and see you in the next one.